What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend BTC, sitting at 34.3k, down 0.89 on the day. Senior market cap 678 billion, 25.30 billion. Currently, we're in 3 trades. Gala Games in profits, ETH in profits. Our Solana trades up like 50%. All signals were given in the Discord for $10 a month. Spend $10 every single day. So we pushed up in our wave 3 now. Some things to notice here on the 4-hour chart is we have a bull pennant and we met the minimum target for the 4. We wicked down to it. So obviously there is always the opportunity of just continuing to explode. If that were to happen, you could shoot straight up into your wave 5 and the bull pennant target would be 38.7k. I think a little bit of more pullback is definitely a probability. Like, I think there's a good chance looking at altcoins, but anything can happen. So if we do pull back, we will be looking for a bounce in between 30.8 and 33.1. But as I mentioned, we do have a bull pennant. So of course you can just continue to explode to the upside. Looking at our next chart, I mentioned this in the Discord. I talked about the previous bear market. I said when we have the bullish cross of the EMAs, it is a signal that has never failed to signal the bottom is in, and we did the exact same thing we did in the previous bear market. We broke above them, we had the bullish cross, and then we broke below it. So once I saw that we broke above it, we had the bullish cross right here, we broke back below it. I looked at the previous chart, I ignored the corona dump. We only spent a few weeks down here, or a month, 2 months, before we started to break out. And if we hadn't had the corona dump, that's when we started the bull market, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. We broke below it, we spent a few weeks below, we spent a month and a half below it, and now we've broken back out and we've absolutely shot up and we've had the bullish cross once again. So it's a signal that's never failed, and it does look like the bull market is getting started. We could have, of course, go sideways for a while, but anything can happen, right? So we're prepared. I'm already locked in with all my hard alt plays. I'm good to go. So and we're in 3 trades which are in profits right now. The one thing I'm watching in the short term is the DXY. We bear trapped. We broke that bearish confirmation. Looks like we're going to go down, and we shot right back up. So that could be a bear trap, and if we push up, we break that bullish level. That's when you can see that larger pullback for BTC. Of course, anything can happen, but usually when you have a bear trap or you have a bull trap, it moves in the other direction, which means you would see a bullish move. So we'll see if we break that bullish level. If that does happen, then we can push higher, and that should lead to a pullback for BTC. But if we roll back into this descending triangle and we break that bearish confirmation, then Bitcoin can continue to break out. So that's what I'm looking at, a bounce in between 30.8 and 33.1. The really bullish case is we push up from here in a wave 5 out of this bull pennant and see continuation to the upside. Beautiful on the weekly chart, doing exactly what we did, except we skipped the corona dump as it was a black swan event right here, and we're just breaking out. So it's looking good in my opinion. And luckily I've loaded the bags in the Discord, my HODL alt positions. I've been adding to them as we continue down, and yeah, that's it. We're in 3 trades. It's $10 a month. First, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 to trade with for free. $100, $20 free to trade with my subscribers only. Sign up to the Discord through the Patreon. $10 a month, you spend $10 every single day. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're in some juicy trades right now that are all in profits. HODL alt plays, member profits. Members are making some juicy gains, as you can see here. And Forex signals and analysis. We just hit TP1 on US oil, and we're looking to get into silver and gold for some massive trades. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex for $10 a month. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.